Hey kids, welcome to the Kids Home School. Today we shall learn names of the wild animals. Let's start. Names of the wild animals are as follow. Lion, Lion, lion. Let's spell it with me together. Lion, lion. Tiger, Tiger, tiger. Let's spell it together with me. Tiger, tiger. Elephant, Elephant, elephant. Let's spell it together with me. Elephant, elephant. Giraffe, Giraffe, giraffe. Let's spell it together with me. Giraffe, giraffe. Zebra, Zebra, zebra. Let's spell it together with me. Zebra, zebra. Rhinoceros, Rhinoceros, rhinoceros. Let's spell it together again. Rhinoceros, rhinoceros. Hippopotamus, Hippopotamus, hippopotamus. Let's spell it together. Hippopotamus, hippopotamus. Cheetah, Cheetah, cheetah. Let's spell it together. Cheetah, cheetah. Leopard, Leopard, leopard. Let's spell it together with me. Leopard, leopard. Hyena, Hyena, hyena. Let's spell it together with me. Hyena, hyena. Gorilla, Gorilla, gorilla. Let's spell it together with me. Gorilla, gorilla. Chimpanzee, Chimpanzee, chimpanzee. Let's spell it together with me again. Chimpanzee, chimpanzee. Baboon, Baboon, baboon. Let's spell it together with me again. Baboon, baboon. Jaguar, Jaguar, jaguar. Let's spell it together with me again. Jaguar, jaguar. Puma, P-U-M-A, puma. Let's spell it together with me again. P-U-M-A, puma. Lynx, L-Y-N-X, Lynx. Let's spell it together with me again. L-Y-N-X, Lynx. Panther, P-A-N-T-H-E-R, panther. Let's spell it together with me again. P-A-N-T-H-E-R, panther. Koala, K-O-A-L-A, koala. Let's spell it together with me again. K-O-A-L-A, koala. Kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Let's spell it together with me again. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Wombat, W-O-M-B-A-T, wombat. Let's spell it together with me again. W-O-M-B-A-T, wombat. Dingo, D-I-N-G-O, dingo. Let's spell it together with me again. D-I-N-G-O, dingo. Anteater, A-N-T-E-A-T-E-R, anteater. Let's spell it together with me again. A-N-T-E-A-T-E-R, anteater. Armadillo, A-R-M-A-D-I-L-L-O, armadillo. Let's spell it together with me again. A-R-M-A-D-I-L-L-O, armadillo. Bison, B-I-S-O-N, bison. Let's spell it together with me again. B-I-S-O-N, bison. Moose, M-O-O-S-E, moose. Let's spell it together again. M-O-O-S-E, moose. Deer, D-E-E-R, deer. Let's spell it together again. D-E-E-R, deer. Elk, E-L-K, elk. Let's spell it together again. E-L-K, elk. Gazelle, G-A-Z-E-L-L-E, gazelle. Let's spell it together again. G-A-Z-E-L-L-E, gazelle. Wildebeest, W-I-L-D-E-B-E-E-S-T, wildebeest. Let's spell it together again. W-I-L-D-E-B-E-E-S-T, wildebeest. Bongo, B-O-N-G-O, bongo. Let's spell it together again with me. B-O-N-G-O, bongo. Meerkat, M-E-E-R-K-A-T. Meerkat. Let's spell it together with me again. M-E-E-R-K-A-T. Meerkat. Lemur. L-E-M-U-R. Lemur. Let's spell it together with me again. L-E-M-U-R. Lemur. Fossa. F-O-S-S-A. Fossa. Let's spell it together with me again. F-O-S-S-A. Fossa. Ocelot. O-C-E-L-O-T. Ocelot. Let's spell it together with me again. O-C-E-L-O-T. Ocelot. Raccoon. R-A-C-C-O-O-N. Raccoon. Let's spell it together with me again. R-A-C-C-O-O-N. Raccoon. Badger. B-A-D-G-E-R. Badger. Let's spell it together again. B-A-D-G-E-R. Badger. Wolverine. W-O-L-V-E-R-I-N-E. Wolverine. Let's spell it together again. W-O-L-V-E-R-I-N-E. Wolverine. Otter. O-T-T-E-R. Otter. Let's spell it together with me again. O-T-T-E-R. Otter. Weasel. W-E-A-S-E-L. Weasel. Let's spell it together with me again. W-E-A-S-E-L. Weasel. Please do like and subscribe Kids Home School. Thank you for watching our videos. Your subscription and likes are appreciation to us.